first, second gear pull. I was gonna do something on this car, but Lala keeps telling me that I need to stop jumping around and finish one car at a time. So now that this car is running perfectly, it's time to do some upgrades. I mean, what could we change in order to make it better? A better driving experience. How about something like this? A carbon fiber steering wheel. Yeah, I think that's a good upgrade. Let's get busy. Now, before I get started, I'm not gonna do a how-to stuff. I mean, this is pretty simple. You take off some bolts on each side, take off the airbag. There's a big nut in the middle, disconnect everything. But before you get started with all that, you make sure and disconnect your battery. Make sure the battery is disconnected, and you wait a few minutes before you get started, because you don't want this to go off in your face. It's like defusing a bomb. You go slowly. This is my harness adapter that I needed for this steering wheel, which I will end up using again. Whew. All right, and it came out. Obviously, there's a few things that I gotta switch over to this one. Shouldn't be too hard. And here's this. Put this aside. You guys want to see how strong I am? Ugh. Look at that, with one hand. I was struggling, so I didn't even record. All right, now come off. God damn, this thing's hard. Now, I guess I could lie and I told y'all that it was easy. It should have been easy if I had the right equipment, but that was a pain in the ass. All right. Now I've already switched over the cruise control stock to the other steering wheel. Connected that. Anybody want to buy this? I will be selling it. Try to get it as straight as it was. All right, I think that's gonna be it right there. And now once you got your steering wheel all torqued down, you gotta get all the connectors back in. And that's it. Steering wheel is on. Damn, that looks pretty good. All right, let's connect the battery and make sure my horn still works. It should be good to go. All right, battery's hooked up, cleaned up the inside. Horn works. Let's go take it out for a drive. So unfortunately, the steering wheel is not perfectly straight. I mean, it's not too far off, but it's not straight. So I still got a few more things to install suspension wise, just so the car's ready for an alignment. One of the passenger camber side eccentric camber bolts are messed up, so I got to replace those. Let's try this baby out. All right, yep, she's good to go. Man, this steering wheel is sweet, man. I feel like I'm driving a damn race car. It's just way too damn hot out, man. It's like 100 something degrees. And I've been outside for hours, man. It's so freaking hot. Yeah, no lie, I've been here for about 2-3 minutes in this red light. I feel like I'm getting all crispy. This sun is super strong. Come on. There you go. Can you guys tell the difference on the way it sounds? I think it sounds pretty damn good. Oh, and also thank you guys who suggested the alignment places on the last video. I am checking those places out just to see who's got some availability on a day that I have time, because man, I swear people always ask me, hey, can you help me with this? Hey, can you do this? And it's like, dude, I barely have any time for myself. So I need to find time to get this car aligned so I don't have to be worried about this anymore. Looks and sounds good, man. Look at this. This is beautiful. Yeah, but I definitely need to get it aligned though. This feels funny. God damn, this thing's nasty. Whew. I always open the hood right whenever I get home. Just let all the heat out. It's perfect. Running good. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. Damn, it's hot. How many of you guys are from Texas? You guys understand how hot it is here? 100 something degrees feels a lot hotter than that. But there you go, you guys. Another upgrade done to the car. That's something we actually had been sitting on for a while, just haven't had time. But it's installed now. I still have several things that I need to do to the car. I just don't know when. We'll see. We'll see what comes up next. I'll keep it a surprise. Y'all have a good rest of the week.